and function. Its topic is function. Now what is function? Before it we know about the relation. On the basis of relation we define here function. A function is a special type of relation in which each element of domain is paired with exactly one element in the range. Here we have a domain, here we have a range, one correspondence is there. That type of special kind of relation is said to be the functions. As further, for more explanation, a set of ordered pair in a function if no two ordered pairs have equal abscissa. This is the way one correspondence is compulsory. No one have the equal abscissa. Okay. Now move for the next thing. What is its notation? Function notation, when we know the relation is a function, then we say that y is the equation can be replaced with fx. Why? Because y, the value of y depend on the value of x. That's why we say that y is the function of x, means y is equal to fx. By this way, here we see the examples. Gx is equal to 2x plus 1 means what? G, the function of g of x is the 2x plus 1. We denote it f, g, p, u, anything. This no one is compulsion. Okay students, now see the function notation is here. How we denote? Y is equal to fx, x is our input and y is our output. Means when we put the value of, if fx is defined like x plus 1, then we put the value of x, that is 1, and we get the y is equal to 2. So that's why we say that x is independent and y is dependent. X is independent because we put any value of x, and y is called dependent on x because as per the value of x, y varied. Okay, now see the more examples of it for the further explanation. Here we see, determine whether the relation is a function. This is the ordered pairs of R, and we need to check this is the function or not. What we observe here: 4, its output is 1, 5, its output is 2, 5, its output is 3, 6, its output is 6, and 1 is output is 9. Here students, we observe here 4 have 1, okay, 6, 6, 1, 9, but here 2 same input gives different outputs. It is not possible because a single objects never give two different output. That's why we say that this is not a function. Is this relation is a function? 1 3 2 3 3 3. Yes, different inputs may give same output. Okay, so just think like that. Same one single input never give different outputs, but different inputs may give same output. Okay, now further move to see the things more. This things is 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1. What we see here, minus 3 have a 3, minus 2 minus 6. Here we observe that na each and every element have different, this is the domain, this is the range, have the different paired. That's why it is function. But in here what we observe, we just think for the basics, no two output of single input. That type of relationship is never called the function. So what we observe here, this one is the single one have two output. It is not possible. That's why it is not a function. In this example, each and every one have the individual, and 4 have 2, and 4 have also the paired with 8, and 5 is also paired with 8. So yes, two different input may give same output. That's why it is function. Not a function, but the same reason, single input never gives different output by this way. Okay, Now see more examples. So based on it, for clearance of this is the graphical way to represent the data. Here is the graph of graph of any functions. What we observe here, the different values of x, the graph have different value of y, but that's why it is function. But in this graph, what we observe, at different value of x or same different value of x, we get the the values of y, x is here and x is here. When what we know about it, when 2x may give single y, but 2y never gives single x. That's why it is not a function. By this way, this one is also a function, and this is the round shaped. With the same reason, this is not a function. Now here some questions for you. See the things and determine it. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4. Obviously this is 1, 1 correspondence, no problem, this is function. -2, 2, -1, 1, this is also a function because 2 input have single output. It is possible. Now in this way, 0, 0, 0 is paired with 0, 1 is paired with -1, and 1 is paired with 1. 1 -1, this is not possible. Single input never gives 2 outputs. So this is not a function. Now we see the result is here the same. This one is the function, this one is the function, this is not the function. Now come on the next example. This is the straight lines, so that means it is a function, simple. This is the fixed point at the different value of x, fixed y, it may be function, but at different value of y, it gives single x, it is not a function. For the same reasons, we draw the what kind of graph is said to be function and what kind of graph is not said to be function. Okay, here is also the different value of x, we get the y, that's why it is function. In this this is the round means it's not function, simple. This one is the straight line, here's and here's, it is once again the same. The y have different y gives the single x, so that's why it's not. This one is the function because different value of x, different value of y. Here this one is not a function with the same reason, because of different because we have a single x have the giving two different value of y here and here. Okay, by this way we check the things. This is the proper graph of it, and this one is the function, not function. This one is also function, this one is not function, like that. We discuss all these things. Now see one more. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 means all are having the same image. Yes, it is possible. That's why it is a function. Here just like once again the same problem is here. X same single x giving the 2 or 3 values, means just like here is the just like here is -1 and it gives here, this y is also, this y is also, and here is y is also. So there is a 3 y. It's not possible. Now this one -3, -3, -3. The single x have the different image. It's not possible. It is not ordered prime. Now in input and output -2, -1 and 0. -2 have 2 different range. So this one is also, we know automatically this is not a function. Okay, now by this way we define, we observe what kind of things is said to be function, what kind of input and output is considered in the function, and what kind of graph is considered in the function or not a function. So we observe the things and keep continuing to find the functions have or not in this way. Okay students, thank you. Keep watching for the next video. Okay.